my name is Lucy. Today I will talk about my role model. A role model is someone who we look up to or admire and often want to emulate in some way. Today I will tell you about my role model. My role model is my teacher. First, she is very positive. When I became an adult, I want to have a happy life and always think positive thoughts. My life will be very happy and I will feel great. My teacher is always positive, so I want to be like her. I want to be positive when there is a bad situation. When she has a bad situation, she thinks it's a chance and it is good. I want to be like her and have a positive life. Sometimes I am negative, but after I met her, I became more positive person. Because of her, my life became brighter. Second, she teaches me very well. When I am taking her class, I know the important things and also it is very fun. Also, she makes her class more safe, fun, and hardworking. She helps me have the ability to overcome obstacles. She thinks about other people too. For example, she teaches me about society, and after I studied, I got a perfect score in the test. I learned by playing games or doing research to study. In conclusion, my role model is my teacher. She is very positive and teaches me very well. Thank you for listening my presentation.